everybody. I am going to be pouring on this little 6x6 canvas, which you can see has been poured on before and wiped off. And I am just going to do a straight up dirty pour, or it might be like a tree pour. I'm not quite sure yet. We'll see when I start putting the paint in the cup. I've got ARTEZA Electric Plum Purple, which is their iridescent colors with like color shifting properties. ARTEZA Violet, Artist Loft Turquoise, and just a self-mixed blue. So I'm going to take the lids off of these. Maybe. Come on. Well, that hasn't been opened in a while. There we go. All right. Pour them on in here. I'll probably do just a flip cup. And for fun, I'm going to toss in some yellow. I know you're probably like, that's going to ruin it. And it might. It really, truly might. But I want it there. Let's put some more. Alright, that one is a goner. I'm going to pour it straight down in the middle. I'm going to pour this straight down in the middle. And we're going to see what happens. I kind of want to say the yellow is genius. I like the yellow. A little bit over, get some on the edges. That's pretty cool. I'm just gonna kind of paint down the edges with my finger. It's really just the corners. That is neat. That is really cool. Let's see what happens, if anything, when I torch. Ta-da! Yellow was a great idea. Yay. I was honestly gambling with that one. I had no idea if that would turn out or if it would look like crap, but it turned out. I just really, really, really wanted to use yellow. It's like an aquatic scene. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.